Hey, what's up? Good morning, family. This is on July 27th. This is Lamarr Brown, your profit coach. Hey, listen, we're going to have a little fun this morning. I already made my trades for the day. I made my profits. You can see the green arrow just popped up to say that we're going long. So let's get ready. All right, I'm going to take a trade up here. Now that we kind of got out of the range where the market was trading at. Look like we got a lot of upside here, so I'm waiting for a little minor correction, then I'll probably jump into the market, see what we can scalp here before the bigger correction come before I take another trade. Okay, so we'll probably be done in probably a couple of trades here. So let's see. Let's take a trade right here. We got a little correction there. I think we got a lot of upward momentum going for us. Boom. Let me show you how much money we earn. I gotta correct that. It's just showing the percentage of movement. Some of you can't really tell. Okay, there we go. All right, good to go. So now that we got that there, be a little hesitation. Let's go and get out that trade. We'll wait for a deeper correction, and then we'll go ahead and take the next trade. All right. All right. Okay, so we're kind of taking a deep correction here. I want to go ahead and get into the market there. So we should start seeing the market kind of change up for us. It shoot up a little bit higher. I believe it's trying to get to around about 12,400. Yeah, 12,400. I think you can get up to that level today. But we're gonna ride it up just a little bit, just to take a little profit at the top and see how it does. So. Again, you know, it's not taking us a lot of time to make some substantial profit. Even the profit we made so far is more than what people make in that probably like an 8-hour day at work, right? So to kind of put in perspective, we done it in minutes. So here we go. I think we had the area. Let me go ahead and put a take profit right here. Let's see, yeah. So if you know anything about how I move in the market, so the last level that it was at, what I'm saying is that I think it's going to go a little beyond that, but that would be our exit point. All right, that correction should go up there. There we go. So let me change it up because you're not seeing the P&L when it's flat. So I'm just gonna make sure that you can see the P&L, what we've done today. Okay. Let's see, switch this. All right, we finished the trade day with $945. All right. So, and again, that was a matter of minutes, probably like about 4 or 5 minutes of work. All right. So today was a good trading day. We made good profit. So, that's it, you guys. All right. Hey, thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, just hit me up. All right. I'll see you at the bank. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.